Look at this. How pretty is that bird? Oh, look, come here. Look at this place. There's one who is above the net. You see there? How did it reach there? It escaped somehow. Oh, look at them all going over there on the top. Wow. This one just flew in over here, right up close. You're like, to go there. They want to get their photos taken, be in the video. Hi.
Yeah, they are model cameras.
Beautiful.
Wingspan, baby. Oh my God.
How beautiful are these?